Alright, we're here with the 2011 Panini Timeless Treasures Football Hobby Box tin for Michael C. Alright, here you go. Here's your break. Nothing more in there. Alright, we got an Adrian Peterson, Ed Sable, we got a Randall Cobb, rookie signatures, very nice. That one is numbered, oh, you're going to like this, 4 of 10. 4 of 10, Randall Cobb. Honestly, week 1 he looked ridiculously good. Alright, we got a Johnny Knox jersey, and we got a No Sean Moreno jersey and a John Randall. This one's numbered to 99. The No Sean is numbered to 165, and the Johnny Knox is numbered to 250. Alright, so let's show you that Randall Cobb again. It's on the leather. Number 4 of 10. Alright, thanks a lot. We'll have these out to you tomorrow. Take care.